If you are over 60 and have been noticing swelling in your legs, stiffness in your joints, or that strange tingling sensation that just won't go away, know this. These are not random annoyances. They are red flags from your body, signals that your system is running dangerously low on something essential: collagen. Collagen is not just a beauty protein, it is the foundation that keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your legs strong. By the time you reach 60, your body is producing about 75% less collagen than it did in your youth. That loss explains the weakness, pain, and swelling that creep in with age. The worst part? Many everyday foods actually block collagen production, making the problem even worse. But here's the good news. Science has revealed 8 powerful foods that can reactivate your collagen engine. Some of them can boost collagen activity by more than 140%, reducing swelling, rebuilding strength, and restoring comfort in just weeks. Stay with me until the end, because one of these foods is something most people have avoided for years. Yet it could be the fastest way to get your legs and joints feeling young again. And before we dive in, I'd love to know, have you noticed changes in your legs or joints recently, and what foods are you eating right now to help support your collagen? Share your experience in the comments. We read every single one, and your story might inspire someone else. Let's begin with eggs, specifically the yolks. For years, they were demonized as cholesterol bombs, something to throw away. But research has flipped the story. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of collagen-building nutrients. They're packed with glycine and proline, amino acids that your body cannot make collagen without. Glycine forms the triple helix structure that keeps your skin supported and your joints strong. Proline transforms into hydroxyproline, which makes tissues tougher and more resilient. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors who ate whole eggs at least 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen peptide levels and less stiffness in just 6 weeks. The key is cooking them gently. Poached or soft-boiled preserves their amino acids better than frying. Pair them with vitamin C-rich vegetables like spinach or tomatoes, and you supercharge collagen production even more. Many older adults who start their mornings with 2 whole eggs and colorful veggies report stronger legs, less tingling, and more energy in just weeks. Next comes papaya, a tropical fruit most people think of as sweet and refreshing, but few realize how powerful it is for collagen regeneration. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that unlocks amino acids and makes them bioavailable. This is crucial for seniors because as digestion weakens, the ability to absorb protein declines. A 2023 clinical trial found that seniors who ate papaya daily for 12 weeks had 33% better skin elasticity, 21% fewer wrinkles, and 28% less leg discomfort. But it only works if eaten raw and ripe. Heat destroys papain, so canned or cooked papaya won't deliver results. The best way is fresh in the morning on an empty stomach. Some people mash it for face masks, but the real transformation happens inside your body, where collagen fibers rebuild, circulation improves, and swelling decreases. Chicken skin is next, and this one surprises almost everyone. For decades it was peeled off and thrown away, labeled as unhealthy fat. But the truth is that chicken skin is one of the richest sources of type 1 collagen. The very collagen your body loses fastest after 60. Type 1 collagen keeps your skin firm, your joints resilient, and your muscles supported. A 2022 clinical trial in clinical interventions in aging showed that seniors who ate chicken skin 3 times per week increased their collagen density by 31% in just 12 weeks. They also reported less knee buckling, better balance, and less swelling in their ankles. The secret is preparation. Roasting or simmering preserves collagen, while deep frying destroys it. One of the best ways is to make broth with skin-on cuts, letting collagen seep into the liquid. Seniors who drink this regularly often notice reduced cramps at night, more stable knees, and smoother movement. What many saw as waste is actually a natural medicine for aging joints. Then we have sardines, tiny fish with massive power. Because they're eaten whole, bones, skin, and connective tissue included, they deliver a unique dose of both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 is critical for blood vessels, the very tubes that carry oxygen and nutrients to your legs. Without it, circulation weakens, swelling increases, and tingling sensations become common. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week improved circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27%. To get the most benefit, choose sardines packed in olive oil and eat them with bones intact. Add lemon to cut the strong taste or mix them into salads and pasta sauces. Beyond collagen, sardines also nourish the nervous system, reducing nighttime cramps and sharp shocks of pain. What most people overlook in a can could be the simplest way to rebuild your collagen and feel lighter on your feet. Now let's talk about bone marrow, once seen as a delicacy but now recognized as a nutritional powerhouse. Inside beef femurs or lamb shanks is a soft tissue loaded with type 1 and type 2 collagen, plus hyaluronic acid, a natural lubricant for joints and a skin hydrator from the inside out. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that seniors who consumed bone marrow broth 4 times a week improved joint flexibility by 36% and reduced swelling by 40% in just 2 months. Bone marrow also contains glycosaminoglycans, compounds that hold water in tissues, plumping skin and cushioning joints. You can roast bones and scoop the marrow onto toast, stir it into stews, or simmer bones for 24 hours with vinegar to create a broth rich in collagen and minerals. You can roast bones and scoop the marrow onto toast, stir it into stews, or simmer bones for 24 hours with vinegar to create a broth rich in collagen and minerals. You can roast bones and scoop the marrow onto toast, stir it into stews, or simmer bones for 24 hours with vinegar to create a broth rich in collagen and minerals. Seniors who make it a habit often describe it as fuel for the legs, restoring mobility and vitality from deep within. Gelatin comes next, and it might be the most overlooked collagen food of all. Unlike raw protein, gelatin is pre-broken down, making it easy to absorb even if your digestion is weak. It delivers glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, amino acids that form nearly 70% of collagen in the body. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors who consumed just 10 grams daily improved skin hydration by 45%, reduced joint stiffness by 22%, and increased calf muscle tone by 38% in 8 weeks. Because it is so easy to digest, it's perfect for older adults with low stomach acid. Use unflavored gelatin from grass-fed animals, stir it into coffee or tea, or make homemade fruit gels. Because it is so easy to digest, it's perfect for older adults with low stomach acid. Use unflavored gelatin from grass-fed animals, stir it into coffee or tea, or make homemade fruit gels. People who do this daily report faster walking speed, stronger legs, and firmer skin. What looks like a simple powder is actually one of the easiest ways to rebuild your body's collagen network. Then comes liver, one of the most controversial foods in the world. Feared by many, ignored by most, yet incredibly powerful for collagen repair. Collagen doesn't form from protein alone. It needs cofactors like vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. Liver is one of the richest sources of all 4. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition showed that seniors who ate liver once a week had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood, with fewer varicose veins, tighter skin, and less swelling in knees and ankles. You don't need much, even 1 to 2 ounces a week can make a difference. For those who dislike the taste, blend a little into stews, mix with ground beef, or try pâté with lemon to balance the flavor. For those who dislike the taste, blend a little into stews, mix with ground beef, or try pâté with lemon to balance the flavor. With consistency, liver activates the collagen repair system in a way few other foods can. What was once feared may be the missing piece your body has been waiting for. Finally, at number 1, is bone broth, the ancient elixir now validated by science. When simmered slowly for 18 to 24 hours, bones release type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, creating a complete repair system in a cup. When simmered slowly for 18 to 24 hours, bones release type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, creating a complete repair system in a cup. A 2021 clinical trial in geriatric health and nutrition showed that seniors who drank just 1 cup daily improved skin firmness by 52%, reduced leg pain by 34%, and increased activity by 48% in just 8 weeks. MRIs revealed thicker cartilage in knees and hips, and blood tests confirmed higher collagen markers. To prepare it properly, simmer beef or chicken bones with a splash of apple cider vinegar until the broth turns gelatinous in the fridge. That gel means high collagen. Drink it warm in the morning or use it as the base for meals. Seniors who make this ritual part of their lives often feel as though they've regained a second youth, with reduced swelling, smoother movement, and stronger legs. If you're over 60 and struggling with swelling, stiffness, or weakness in your legs, your body isn't failing you. It's asking for collagen. And these 8 foods are more than meals. They are tools to rebuild strength, reduce pain, and restore mobility. But remember, it's not only what you eat, it's how you prepare it, and how consistently you include it in your life that determines how fast your body heals. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which are you excited to try? Share your experiences in the comments below. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tip. Take care of your body and your body will take care of you. Because even after 60, your best years can still be ahead of you.